Okay, let's dive into a study that could really change how we monitor HIV.
For millions with HIV, immune system monitoring is absolutely critical, but it's often way too expensive.
That cost is a huge barrier to care, especially in low-income regions. So how do we fix it?
You see, scientists track these key immune cells to see how a patient is doing and guide treatment.
The gold standard test is super powerful, but it relies on some pretty expensive antibody ingredients.
So here's the deal. This standard method needs 4 different antibody tags to get a precise count.
But what if you could get an accurate count with fewer, cheaper tags? That's the big question here.
And here's their idea, a simpler method with just 2 tags. It skips right to the important part.
And just look at the difference in cost. The alternative is nearly half the price. But is it accurate?
To find out, they put the 2 methods to the test. A big study, analyzing samples from 6 hospitals.
So, how'd it go? They tested over 1,000 patient samples with both methods at once. And get this, the correlation was incredibly strong. The results were basically identical.
Looking at the average counts, you can see it plain as day. The numbers are almost the same.
And the crucial point, statistically speaking, the difference between the methods was insignificant.
So here's the bottom line, a 50% cost reduction for a test that's just as accurate. Wow.
So what does all this mean? It's a huge step towards making healthcare more accessible for everyone.
It really makes you wonder, right? Maybe the key to better global health isn't more complexity, but simplicity.